Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to Balcony Garden Web, where we explore the quirky, beautiful, and sometimes downright hilarious side of nature. Today, we've got a fun and slightly cheeky topic for you. Trees that resemble, well, penises. Yes, Mother Nature sure has a sense of humor. So let's dive into the fascinating and funny world of these unique trees. First on our list, the Pandanus tree adds a whole new twist to this list. Its dangling prop roots look like multiple hanging penises. Yes, really. These trees thrive in tropical regions and are as fascinating as they are funny. This one is aptly named the Devil's Penis Tree. Its trunk can develop extra growths that resemble, you guessed it, multiple penises. Not every tree in this species shows this peculiar behavior, but when it does, it's definitely a head-turner. The rican tree surprises us with its fibrous root system. These roots spread out from the base, taking on shapes that are, well, open to interpretation. It's nature's way of keeping us entertained. Some redwood trees develop burl growths due to stress, injury, or infection. These irregular woody lumps can take on some pretty surprising shapes, adding to the tree's charm and character. The monkey puzzle tree, native to South America. At a young age, this tree's branches take on a peculiar shape that might remind you of, you guessed it. As the tree matures, it grows out of this phase, but it still retains its unique and fascinating character. Next up is the iconic Baobab. These majestic trees are known for their massive trunks, and if you look closely, their straight and erect appearance can raise a few eyebrows. These trees are not just hilarious, they're also full of life and history, often referred to as the Tree of Life. So there you have it, 6 trees that prove nature has a sense of humor. Whether it's their trunks, branches, or roots, these trees remind us to look for joy and laughter in the little things around us. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Balcony Garden Web for more fun and fascinating plant stories.